super chill. So very good cooling and it's super quiet. Looks great too. The H150i Capellix liquid cooler, 360 AIO. You got the user manual. Boom, boom. You have RGB hub here and the fan for controlling fans and RGBs. A great upgrade to my computer case too. Boom. Hardware right here. Ooh, the white end cap right here. So if you want to use a white one or there's a black one that's already installed, your choice. We got Intel hardware. We have our TR4 hardware if you got a Threadripper user, or we have the AMD AM4. Whoa, more screws. Boom, the fans. Oh, these are the nice fans. These fans are RGB fans. So one goes to RGB hub and one goes to the fan hub. Fan power and RGB power right there. Here's fan number 2. Boom, fan number 3. So we do get 3 120mm RGB fan. That's what makes it a 360 AIO. Boom! You have your 360 AIO, the pump head. You get the black end piece right here. You can replace it with the white one we saw earlier. And thermal paste is pre-applied. And that's everything you get. The 360 AIO, the pump that mounts onto your CPU, different brackets so it works with Intel, AMD, and Threadripper. You have the different end caps. You want the white one or keep the black one, it's your choice. You have 3 120mm fan. We have the Corsair commander here that controls the fan speed and RGBs. Boom, right here. Sweet. And also you get a bunch of bolts so you can attach this together to your computer case. Oh yeah.